Hi everyone, this is Deepak Chauhan and welcome back to my channel Deepak's Fine Art. Today's video is highlighting a demanding skill. Many people ask me to do video on hand lettering slash brush lettering slash calligraphy. I know it's not general calligraphy but modern calligraphy like of a kind of stuff. There are many tricks and tips which I found helpful. So hopefully today I can pass these tips to you and some of you can find this useful. So this video is a very detailed so you can get into typography. Now let's get into the tutorial, getting started with the material and supplies which you need for calligraphy. Here is a couple of different options for you can choose. The first is most popular is calligraphy pen. This is a kind of like ink pen, then chisel marker just like baby sisters of calligraphy pen. You can also use the regular brushes like flat or round watercolor brushes or the standard watercolor brushes. You can also use the fine liner micro tip pen or marker that keep mind the paper where you wanna do calligraphy is must be smooth and not textured anyway. So this will make the calligraphy smooth and without any problem. If you are a complete beginner at calligraphy, I am recommending you this exercise, this kind of the wavy line. You want to make sure that you have to use less pressures on up strokes and more pressures on down strokes, and this will help you to understand that how proper grip you are having on the pen. And now on the basics of calligraphy typography, I want to talk about this because this will help you guys for future. As you can see, I have drawn some guidelines for learning proper measures of calligraphy. The middle space is for X height and the top line is space for ascender and the bottom line is a space for descending letters. Actually, X height is for all this middle sized letters like M, A, N, I and etc. Characters like descenders obviously descend into the lower space, but as you can see, this X height is the same, they are just reached to the bottom line. When they go down, so this letter would be P, J, Y and all of that which comes down till the bottom line. Something goes for the letter ascender. There are H, T, B and D and any of that letter which hit the top line. I would recommend to practice the whole alphabet of capital and small letters. Make sure that you do thin. You can practice this for a long time. This is what you can also find your own stylistic preferences, because there are a different way you can find or you can use in every single letter as I am showing here. This is just kind of different variation as you can do for all this stuff where you can find your favorite by practicing it. Putting it all together, this would be pretty simple while you been using a practicing your letters, because they can join seem connected. Just you do not need to work faster or slower, you have to maintain the speed while practicing it. If you want to draw the guidelines which I have drawn earlier, where your letters X height, ascender, descender all will be formed properly in calligraphy. Now you can switch thing on different places, like some are up and some are down in calligraphy, but this you do when you get little comfortable with calligraphy and hand lettering, because this is your personality to lettering. This looks more funny and interesting. Other thing you can do with your calligraphy to change the spacing of alphabet, so it will give a different look to our calligraphy. If you skew the letters, it will give a different look, and if you make them little more far from each other, they will give a different look. I would like to show you guys the different supplies which I used earlier and a kind of talk about my tips and tricks by each one of their completely different, obviously which I use mostly in calligraphy pen. Here you have to manage the fonts with a thin and thick strokes. You can also use chisel marker for calligraphy pen. This is simple to use and easily available in stationery shops. You can also do calligraphy by brush, but here you have to dip your brush in water or in ink again and again. Now I'm gonna show you guys faking calligraphy. If you don't want to purchase calligraphy pen, so I'm using a normal CD marker or any writing marker. You can write here something by cursive letters, and you need to add extra line to the downstroke next to the thin line. You can keep it hollow if you wanna see the real line or the real kind of calligraphy pens. In fact, you just have to fill in hollow spaces, so this will give a proper look. I guess if you wanna try some more calligraphy letters, just do Google and find some more interesting different types of letters and practice so. These are many personal tips and tricks for calligraphy active for you. I hope guys you learned something. You confirm me in the comment box below. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you in next video. See you guys.